Komachielo bende ni jopuonj sikunde secondary madundo JSS e kaunti ma Nandi obago ng'anye boma ma Kapsabet ka gidwaro ni duol mochune ndiko jopuonj e TSC mondo ndik jopuonj ma nyaka ne somb CBC chakre pok ondiki e yorno mongirore. Kano otelnegi kod jagoro mar riwruog sikunde ma secondary Kupet bade ma Nandi Paul Korir giwacho ni sani sirikal oketo jopuonj tiyo e tok chik. Jopuonj go bende nobwogo mar rem dok e skul kiyawo sikul ne tam mar 2 juma manyien.
Want to ask the Teacher Service Commission without taking a lot of time to confirm the moguls, the interns, both the senior and the junior, into permanent and pensionable. Yes. Our parents are suffering. Some of them have sold cows. They have sold even their pieces of land to educate us, to make sure that we go to school. But today we are being told to wait for 2 years so that you get confirmed.
The same case, all the other court rulings are respected. Then this one of the JSS teachers, because all of them are Kenyans, all the rulings were made by the court of Kenya, then it must be abided to the latter. We want to tell the TSC that we are suffering. There are a lot of suicides going on. There is a lot of depression going on. What can 17K, which is rent to some of those government officials, do?
And I want to warn TSC that we are not going back to school. Take note of that. We are not ready to be involved in an illegal work. Let them come out officially and announce that when are we going to be confirmed into permanent and pensionable immediately.
Kapod wane weche mag somo ni jopuonj mawuok e skunde mag